London poses with an avant-garde spirit, innovation, and cultural fusion. Living here means experience a city that's rooted in heritage and driven by new technology, where bold ideas become the next big thing.
Hi, I'm Rebecca, and I study fashion communication and image at Istituto Marangoni, London.
This university surrounds you with inspiration in one of the world's most vibrant creative cities, giving you direct access to global networks, luxury industry connections, and opportunities that can truly shape your career.
Studying in London? No doubts.
And check this out, the campus that converted Textile factory. You never imagine how much creativity goes on here.
Hi.
There's so much to offer, such as fashion design, fashion communication image, fashion business, but also interior design, product design, and visual design. We're all chasing different dreams, but with the same energy. Today we are working on a real project with the industry. Gaining hands-on experience with top brands is a game changer, and it's so exciting. And when I need to focus or get inspired, this is my spot. Everyone's got their thing, and the best part is not just about the final project. It's about the ideas, the late nights, the random coffee chats, and the friendships that just happen. Some of the best inspiration comes from the art, design, and fashion scenes all over London, well beyond the classroom. London is the perfect place to grow. It's got iconic luxury houses, visionary designers, and a radical culture that mixes heritage with innovation. Here, technology brings creativity to life. And I found a university that treats you like a professional from the start. They get you ready for real jobs or even to start your own business right after you graduate. And when the day ends, this is where we reset. And tomorrow, I can shape my future. Istituto Marangoni, London, where my career begins.